Go.
Nestled in the heart of Stevens Point, Wisconsin, lies a hidden gem where art and nature dance in harmony.
Welcome to the Sculpture Park, a sanctuary where creativity flourishes and imagination takes shape.
Here, art transcends the confines of galleries, inviting you to explore a world where sculptures come to life.
From bold, towering steel to delicate wooden carvings, each piece tells a story crafted with passion and precision.
Crafted by talented artists, these masterpieces reflect a tapestry of human experience and artistic vision.
Whether you are a seasoned art enthusiast or a curious wanderer, the Sculpture Park offers an experience that captivates all ages.
Here, nature and art coexist, creating a serene escape where every corner reveals a new perspective.
As the sun sets over the horizon, the Sculpture Park transforms into a canvas of shadows and light, inviting you to linger and reflect. Come and explore and be inspired by the Sculpture Park in Stevens Point, Wisconsin, where art and nature converge to create a timeless journey.
And how was the sculpture park?
Good.
Did you have lots of fun?